Okay, this is just a quick little tutorial. I've already taken out the screws and everything. First, take out this little bar right here for the internet thing. And then the keyboard, first, I about broke it just trying to pull up right here. But I'll put you down for just a second. You just like slide up on it, pull it out. There's just two little cables back here. They just slide right out. There's the keyboard. The motherboard on this thing is shot, so I'm pretty much just taking like the screen, which is good, so I can buy like a cheap computer on eBay without a screen. And the DVD drive is pretty simple. Just slides out once you unscrew it. And from here, instruction manual, but graphics card, of course it says it right there, and the fan. Alright, this is the mini PCI card for your Wi-Fi, and it just goes in that little slot right there. And these two little cables are for the antenna. There's your BIOS battery, and these little sticks of RAM are really easy. 512. Oh, there's my crappy little desktop. My Xbox One hard drive, and hard drive at another computer, and another hard drive at another computer. Oh, and they're all 10 gigabytes, so they're pretty small. And the screen, it's pretty simple. It's I already popped out one screw on this side, and one screw on this side. It's this whole thing just slides off. But I gotta disconnect these wires. And then there's this one. Alright, supposedly this thing right here, yep, sure does. Just comes right off. Okay, so now that it'll come off real easy. Now we just gotta do some unscrewing to get this cable right here out. So that was easy. They just pull out like that, and you just pull them out of the hole they were inside that right there. And these two little connectors go on the little ends right there. You kind of get the idea. Alright, now it's pretty easy. Just pops right off once you get those cables out. Main concern right there is that screen. It works, and you can find a lot of laptops where the screen's bad. Alright, the screen, success. Along with the DVD drive and the RAM and the Wi-Fi and screen. 17-inch. Yeah. It's a 17-inch. No camera. Be nice. Alright. That just comes off. Pretty basic. And there's the guts. Like I said, the motherboard is dead.